Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning how to make some steak tacos.
So today we're going to show you guys how to make the tacos from Taco Town. What we have here is called paprika, we have salt, we have garlic, we have seasoned salt, a little bit of olive oil, we have some onions, we have some limes, and some cilantro. So at first we're going to grab a little bit of paprika, we're just going to dump it in there, a little bit of salt. This is the process of which all your tacos, whenever you come to Taco Town, you get to eat. Some paprika, a little bit of seasoned salt. You don't want to mix them because you can make it too salty, but they both have different tastes. We like to incorporate both tastes. A little bit of olive oil so it can marinate correctly. This we will use once the product is done. Make sure you stir. You can either use your hand or you can use anything else. After you have mixed your meat, make sure that you leave it here. Cover it up, put a label on it. It is very important that you label your food so you know when you put it in and then when you need to take it out of the refrigerator. You have to let it marinate for 24 hours so all the meat and all your seasoning could be perfect. So you just want to grab this and you want to throw it in the fridge. Once you have cooked your meat thoroughly, you're now ready to make a taco. You want to grab your tortilla shell, make sure that it is fully cooked. The way you will know that if it is or not fully cooked is whenever you bend it. If it cracks, which obviously you see that it does not, it is not ready. Now we have some rice, we have some beans, we have some steak. The steak is the meat of your choice. Here at Taco Town, we like to add rice and beans and the meat on your meat of your choice to your taco. For demonstrative purposes, we will only be using this steak. You want to grab your steak, throw it in there, make sure it's a nice taco. We have some onion, throw some onion in there, some cilantro, throw some cilantro in it. Make sure you get some limes, get the citrusy flavor on it, and some Taco Town sauce. Now this is a very spicy sauce. We make it here at the restaurant. You want to make sure you're very careful before adding it to your food because it is very spicy, but it is very good. I personally like it very spicy, so for myself, I always make sure that I add a lot of hot sauce to my food. And whenever you add your hot sauce, you are now ready to enjoy your taco. Come to Taco Town if you would like to enjoy one of these tacos. Thank you.